just topped an excellent day today, and we'll back it up tomorrow. Good as, mate.
So we got some suspects here on this table.
I'm Clive. I have the pink and blue 180.
My name's Jordan. I've got a gold and orange Bombia, built motor, 260-ish kilowatt or so. Big kit, big wheels, dragging down the side. We've got cars that fall apart, but we make do.
How many hard solids?
Why are you so tall? That's better. That's much better.
We're at the pub. We're going to razz some people up. Behind me, I think they're about to go, but we got Team Northern. As you can see, they bring the whole fam, all the kids. Come with me. So we're doing the rounds at the pub. This is the Keeper Reet YouTube, if you don't know.
That's all good.
You're driving the blue BMW, aren't you?
Yeah, and sometimes the yellow one. We're trying to...
Yeah, you are the only person I've ever met that hit a light tower at our Friday night drifts, aren't you?
Yeah, that's why you put them behind the concrete barriers.
So you're gonna watch
and
this
did a
bloke.
bit of four-wheel driving.
Yeah, that's it. Bit of mud. That's all right. Yeah, so you going good?
Yeah, loving it.
Ready for another day?
I'm absolutely looking forward to it.
Yeah, sick.
We're trying to keep people on their toes, so they don't know if I'm in the blue one or the yellow one.
So you guys bring the whole family every time you come out, don't you?
Yeah, even the grandkid, mate.
Yeah, it's good to see. Mass family. There's always, I mean, this table was full before, so
We're all there
good
with
to
the
see.
kids. We're all together.
Yeah, fucking oath.
Yeah,
It's
trying
good.
to
Make it a family affair. That's what we want to see.
family affair.
We're going to head down before everyone
thank
leaves.
you.
I feel like everyone's leaving, but good
Loving
luck
it.
tomorrow.
Thank you, mate. Take care. Thank you.
Where you going, mate?
Big family, mate.
Where you going? Big family.
family.
What are you driving out on the track?
I've got the Ute, the black Holden Ute.
Black Holden Ute. Yeah, LS.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's it.
yeah.
We're doing some rounds. I just thought I'd catch
good
them.
on you, mate.
The big. Nah, Sam's alright. He can wait.
The big family.
I know this bloke. He can wait. You will wait. How you going, Sam?
Yeah, good, thanks, mate. How are you?
White four-door. I taught Sam how to drift 13 years ago.
Yeah, 15 years ago.
15 years ago.
Yeah, probably about that.
We're
Yeah.
old.
You're my sensei.
Oh, look out. This is where we're going to do the interviews. We got a big drift champion, three-time champion, Justin Gruner. Come on, mate.
Whatever I want.
Keep it.
Oh, sorry, mic drop.
Follow me. Here we go. Here we go. That's where you are. I was looking for you, bloody knuckleheads. Good. I've got the Keeper YouTube by me. What are you driving again? You're driving the gold? Silver BA Falcon. Yeah. What are the holes for? He's got about 5,000 holes in his
The reason
Falcon.
for the holes was because there's so many Falcons out there, and Mrs. never knew which one I was when I was coming around to record. So I made sure she knew which one it was.
That's a bit of a shitty reason. Not
It
gonna
is
lie. You
the
can put
worst
some
part.
stickers on the side,
It worked,
mate.
didn't it?
You just took the whole saw everywhere.
Drop some weight too, you know.
That's
bit
it.
of aerodynamics.
How'd you go today?
Pretty good. I think I went alright. I was happy with the car and
I
my.
yelled at you once, I think, didn't I?
I think about 4 or 5
Nah,
times.
yeah, that's alright. I think I yelled at everyone at least 5 times today, but whatever. It is what it is.
It is what it is. I'm used to it now.
Who we got around here who's driving? Theo, which I always get confused. Theo, yeah, you are Theo. Yeah, that's it. No, there's so many of you, I lose count. So. We got the gold BA.
Yeah.
You don't have holes in yours, but
Nah, I just
Why
got
not?
a GU bonnet scoop
it's a bit rough.
and no bump.
Did I yell at you today?
Nah.
No? You didn't get yelled at?
My dad was
You
driving my
plowed
car.
someone
Nah,
today.
my dad. That was my dad.
Oh, there he is, the light tower hitter. His light tower's full driving and takes out
Bad
R31.
shit that happened in my car was him.
Oh, this bloke, get rid of him.
All the bad shit that happened in my car was from him.
Yeah, right, okay. Who else is driving here? Who else is driving? Ian? Yeah, we already had a chat. That's the Godfather. Yeah, I said that before, I think. Oh, yeah, have a look at them. Yeah, it's good. It's good to see the families get amongst it. They bring all the kids, the grandkids. Everyone comes up. It's really good to see. So, well, more of that in the drift community and all great people. All right, guys. Well, I think we've just about reached the limit at the pub. Look how many of the Team Northern fam there are. Have a look at them all. So, that's it for Pub Adventures, and we'll see you tomorrow for more shenanigans.
Giving every piece of my soul.
Adam, what number comes between 3 and 5?
What number comes between 2 and 4? Beetlejuice.
25.
35. I think it's about 35.
How deep is a 6-foot hole?
A 6-foot hole. How deep is that hole?
I like 20 feet.
I was about 20 feet.
Ah, confidence, you heard it. 20 feet. How you going, mate? What are you up to on this fantastic night?
Sinking Pierce Bros. Yeah, I got the tunes.
Yeah?
X3 300. Yeah.
Is that the top model, is it?
Nah, it's a heap of shit model, mate.
Whoop, whoop, whoop. Hoop there it is! Hoop there it is! Hoop there it is! That's a wrap, Adam.
That's right, fellas.
Benalla, Autumn Reetsuri 2024. We're back for another one later in the year. If you like the video, like that ass.
Stay out of yourselves.
You heard it first.